Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Casey Cameron. I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I'd like to take you out on our lot today to show you one of our new arrivals. Here we have a 2015 Hyundai Sonata 2.0T Limited. It has only one previous owner and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with signals, chrome window trim, lightly tinted glass, and much more. If you want plenty of passenger room and a quiet, easy to live with cabin, this Sonata definitely has what you're looking for. This Sonata has 18-inch unique alloy wheels in performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you can see, the Sonata is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam, daytime running, auto leveling, auto high beam headlamps with delay off, along with speed sensitive wipers and a really nice chrome grille to tie it all together. Under the hood you have a 4-cylinder 2.0 liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Sonata has front wheel drive, and it's estimated that drivers receive an impressive 25 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Sonata has only 107,158 miles on it. At the back of the Sonata, you can see the antenna, the lip spoiler, quasi-dual exhaust, large LED brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see it's very spacious and the back seats fold down easily for more space as needed. This cargo area also features cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you'll notice that this Sonata has been very well taken care of. Passengers can use the fold down armrest with cup holders and the power outlet, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice aluminum and metallic accents. Drivers will be very comfortable in the power adjustable, heated and ventilated leather seating with memory. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and another power outlet. This Sonata is also equipped with a garage door opener, a locking glove box, and a push button start. Here are the easy to reach controls for the power side mirrors, the driver's seat memory, the trunk release, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power windows with front row express up and down. This Sonata has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with on-wheels controls for the cruise, audio, and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilting and sliding powered dual moonroof. The center stack is home to your multimedia navigation features and is paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth compatible, and you can easily connect devices using the USB and aux ports. This advanced system even has voice activation. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see here is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines to make backing up a breeze. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.